Welcome to our channel. Let's continue with the next HackerRank challenge, Java Loops 1. In the previous challenge, we solved the Java output formatting challenge, and in this challenge, we will use this concept in Java Loops 1. So, what is the objective of this challenge? In this challenge, we are going to use loops to help us do some simple math. Okay. Now, what is the task? Given an integer n, print its first 10 multiples, each multiple n into I, where I greater than equals to 1 and less than equals to 10 should be printed on a new line in the form n cross I equals to result. Okay. So input format is a single integer n, and the constants is n, which is greater than equals to 2 and less than equals to 20. Now output format, print 10 lines of output, each line I, where I is greater than equals to 1 and less than equals to 10, contains the result of n cross I in the form n cross I equals to result. Okay. So sample input is 2 and the sample output is this. Now coming to our workspace area. Got it. Here the scanner class is scanner, and input is already given, that is n. We have to print a table of a number, and the number is n. uh, we will make a loop, use the for loop. The number starts from 1, so I equals to 1, and I initialized it as integer. I equals to 1. And I less than equals to 10 means how many times we have to do this same task. Okay, so 10 times. Now we have to print the result. So what is the result? Result equals to n into I. So we have to declare it. Now here we have to print like 2 into 1 equals to 2. So we have to format this. Percent %d is for to provide n, and then this multiplication sign we have to provide. So I copy it and then paste it here. The next percent %d is for the I, then equals sign, and then it is for result. So n comma I comma result. Okay, but they are in each line. Okay, so we have to create the new line. I think our code is ready, so run the code. Okay, it is done. Sample test case passed. Then submit your code. Okay, all test cases passed. So if you like it, do like, share, and subscribe. as much as possible. Thank you.